Hello students, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will revise the chapter Reproductive Health. Reproductive health, problem and strategies. Reproductive health in a society forms a crucial part of general health. Improved programs covering wider reproduction-related areas are currently in operation under the popular name Reproductive and Child Health Care Program. Measures taken by the government. Through the help of audiovisual and print media, even family members, close relations are involved in the awareness. Sex education was introduced in schools to provide awareness. Amniocentesis. It is a technique used to find out chromosomal abnormalities in developing embryo by using amniotic fluid. Steps to overcome population explosion. Using various contraceptive methods, educating people about the demerits of large family, increasing the marriageable age of the female and male. An ideal contraceptive should be user-friendly, easily available, effective, reversible, and no side effects. Contraceptive methods could be divided into the following categories: natural or traditional methods, barrier methods, IUDs, oral contraceptive methods, and surgical methods. Natural methods work on the principle of avoiding chances of ovum and sperm meeting, and it includes periodic abstinence. The couple avoid coitus from the day 10 to 17 of the menstrual cycle, then withdrawal or coitus interruptus, and then lactational amenorrhea, absence of menstruation after parturition and due to the intense milk feeding, and no ovulation in this period. In barrier methods, ovum and sperm are prevented from physical meeting with the help of barrier, and this includes condoms, diaphragms, cervical caps, and valves. Intrauterine devices inserted by the doctors or trained nurse into the female uterus through vagina. Oral pills are progesterone or progesterone estrogen combination used by females. Surgical method. This method is also called sterilization. And then we have terms vasectomy. In the surgical methods in males, a small part of the vas deferens is removed or tied up through a small incision on the scrotum to prevent the release of the sperms. Tubectomy is the surgical method in the females in which small part of the fallopian tube is removed surgically. Medical termination of pregnancy. Voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term is called MTP or induced abortion. In India, MTP is legalized in 1971 with some restrictions to prevent its misuse, such as indiscriminate and illegal female feticides. MTP is used to get rid of unwanted pregnancy due to the unprotected intercourse. MTPs are considered relatively safe during the first trimester or up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. Sexually transmitted disease. Diseases or infections which are transmitted through sexual intercourse are collectively called sexually transmitted disease. Some common STDs are gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamydiasis, genital warts, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B, A, and AIDS. Hepatitis B and HIV is also transmitted by sharing of the injections, needles, surgical instruments with infected person, transfusion of the blood, or from infected mother to fetus. Infection of STDs can be prevented by avoid sex with unknown partner, go to a qualified doctor in case of doubt for the early detection, and get complete treatment if diagnosed. Infertility. The couples which are unable to reproduce children in spite of unprotected sexual cohabitation are called infertile. In vitro fertilization. Fertilization outside the body followed by embryo transfer, which is commonly called test tube baby program. Gift, gamete intrafallopian transfer. Transfer of the gametes collected from a donor into fallopian tube of another female who do not produce ovum. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection, specialized procedure to form an embryo in laboratory in which sperm is directly injected into the ovum. Artificial insemination Infertility cases in which male partner is unable to produce healthy sperms are treated by this technique, in which semen collected from the donor is artificially introduced into vagina or into the uterus.